We started by brainstorming ideas as a group. We came up with 5 potential research titles.
We consider that resources were available to us.
We wanted to choose a topic related to our strand and interests.
We defended our chosen title to our research teacher. Initially, we struggled to defend our title due to time limitation and lack of confidence.
Persisted and try again and again until we successfully defended our title.
Defending our title made us stronger as a team.
After defending our title, we began gathering information and creating Chapter 1. Throughout our research journey, we regularly meet our teacher to
We
resolve.
overcome our challenge and continue working together.
We learn the importance of teamwork and communication.
Throughout our research journey, we regularly met with our research teacher to receive feedback and guidance. We went back and forth with our teacher, addressing any mistake and incorporating suggestions until we completed our Chapter 1. First, I had to list all the relevant sources. Then, I had to evaluate everything: authority, relevance, currency, objectivity, peer review. It was a lot. I checked authors' credentials, made sure the stuff was actually about our topic, and that it was not like 20 years old, and of course, no bias. That was the hardest part. I work hard to find a good source. After I found enough sources, I cite everything correctly and I learned a lot. This study employs a quantitative descriptive research design to collect numerical data through a structured survey questionnaire. The respondents consist of 30 grade 11 and grade 12 students enrolled in the Industrial Arts strand, selected using a stratified random sampling method. A structured survey questionnaire will be used to evaluate the environmental sustainability practices of small students. The questionnaire is divided into 3 main sections. The data will be analyzed using descriptive statistical methods to identify trends and patterns in small students' environmental sustainability practices. This study prioritizes the safety, privacy, and well-being of all participants by adhering to strict ethical guidelines. Our Chapter 4 is ongoing.